Artificial intelligence, AI, a realm once reserved for science fiction, is now an integral part of our daily lives. From virtual assistants to advanced data processing, AI has taken center stage in various sectors. Yet, several myths continue to cloud our understanding. Firstly, a frequent myth is that AI will soon replace all human jobs, leading to mass unemployment. While AI can automate repetitive tasks, it is unlikely to obliterate all human roles. Instead, AI tends to shift the nature of work, creating new job opportunities in areas such as AI management, ethics, and maintenance. History has demonstrated that technology can create as many jobs as it may phase out. Another common fallacy is that AI possesses human-like consciousness and emotions. AI operates on complex algorithms, lacking any personal experiences or emotions. Its primary function is data processing and pattern recognition. AI can mimic certain behaviors, but doesn't genuinely experience thoughts or feelings. A widespread belief is that AI systems are foolproof and impartial. In reality, AI can be biased depending on the data it is trained on. If the input data is skewed or incomplete, the AI could produce biased results. Therefore, ensuring diversity and comprehensiveness in training data is crucial for equitable AI solutions. It's also often thought that AI development is a modern-day phenomenon. However, AI's origins date back to the mid-20th century when pioneers like Alan Turing began exploring the concept of machine intelligence. Over the decades, AI has evolved, propelled by advances in computing power and algorithmic development. Lastly, there's a myth that only tech companies need to concern themselves with AI. In truth, AI affects all sectors, from healthcare to finance, impacting decision-making processes, customer interactions, and operational efficiencies. Embracing AI technology is essential for any company looking to stay competitive in today's digital age. In conclusion, while AI continues to advance and influence numerous fields, understanding these myths is crucial for an accurate perspective. By dispelling these misconceptions, we can focus on leveraging AI more effectively, harnessing its potential for society's benefit.